In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make low poly armor inside of Blender. Let's go. Yeah guys, so here we are over on the computer. So let's just get started. Okay, so first off, this is a mesh that you can actually download on my Gumroad, link down below. So as you can see, we have a chest plate like this. Then we have a shoulder pad, a like elbow pad, piece for the forearm, piece for the arm, ratchets in, don't know what you call it, upper body, like the on the top. And there you go. So that's the full, that's like the upper body's worth of armor. I'm just first off going to duplicate this whole upper body and the arms, and deselect these, and then go Shift D, and then P selection. Okay, so now we have the separate body. So let's just make the chest plates. Okay, let's go X, delete first phases, so we can delete the whole lower arm. So the simpler way is just do L and then X and vertices, and then we can delete here and there. So that should be fun. Okay, and then let's go add a solidify modifier, and then let's go add something like this, and then let's change, let's drag this up, delete the side, and then we can drag this out slightly there. Okay, and then we can go use the knife tool, make this more poly, or low poly in the reference, and there. So we can go duplicate these, and then P for selection, and then make the solidify bigger. Let's just change the, this is just the neck thing first quickly, and yeah, go double G to edge slide that down. Okay, next off we're going to add the shoulder pads. First, quickly before we do that, let's just go separate these so that we can like have them overlapping, just to change up the shape and make sure it looks like they can like go forward. When she leads forward, they will fit into each other. Okay, so next off, let's just select the arm. Let's just select the arm, Shift D, P bar selection, and then we can go add in some edge loops. So we could do one over here, or that one, that spot. So we can delete this bottom edge and these vertices over there, and this inside one over here. Right there, this one. Okay, so let's just straighten these out. Okay, and then add a solidify as well. So let's go add some edge loops. I'm just going to add 3. Actually, let's just add 2. Okay, and then we can just go select this edge B, and then select this edge over here. Just drag it above and scale it out on the Y, and we can V again. Select. Then we go SX and SX. Oh wait, Y, my bad. And then we can go G, drag it up, and just keep the continuity. Just drag this edge up as well. So that's one piece. And you can see my character was already mirrored, so this has a mirror by itself. Okay, and then shoulder pad. So we can just select all these faces, Shift D, P bar selection, and then go add a solidify modifier and drag this up. Okay, so let's go there. We can make this really big. Maybe we can make a second one of these, Shift D, and then scale this in slightly on the Y, and then scale up the top one, and then G. I'm just going to change the shape of this slightly. Go back. Okay, that looks a bit better. Let's go. Yeah, that's good. Next off, I am going to add in the little like arm guard. I mean, what's it? Elbow guard. So the reason they have like this big splayed thing over here is because when you swing with the sword, it will hit directly here. It won't be hitting behind. So you want the line, so the big spot to be over here. So let's go Shift D, P, selection, and then go add a solidify again. And then for this spot, we can select, well, let's just go drag this down. We'll just double G to edge slide, like there. Okay, and then we can go select these faces over here. Well, let's just do one at a time. So go up like that, and then select these two, go to front view and extrude it up. Okay, round this out a bit, and then like there. That looks good. Okay, and there you go. We have the elbow pad. So let's just quickly make the forearm piece. So there, very simple. Shift D, P. There you go. Add solidify. I was just thinking for the back, we should also just thinking for the back, we should probably go and do the same thing as we did for the front. Let's go V and drag this up, down, and then drag this one out. So then they can do the same thing as we said on the back, and on the front, where it can fold into each other. Okay. I'm just going to quickly assign a material to the armor so that when you go into material preview, it's not the same color as the skin. So I'm going to add a material to here and make it just a simple gray material. And I'm going to select one of them and then Control L and link materials so that every one of them has the same material. So yeah, just a lot simpler way than selecting all of them and changing material on each one of them. And guys, if you want to carry on working on this, so for like the legs, you'll just go like select these. So it's the same thing that we've been doing. So you select a mesh, Shift D, P, add a solidifier, and then change it to the reference. So, and then also go to the metal material. So yeah, that's how you make it. Just get your own reference image and follow it, and you will create a pretty good armor using this method. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, go check out my Gumroad. You can get a bunch of free models over there, and they all, in my own opinion, they're okay. But yeah, so have a great day and keep it blendering. Goodbye.